Okay, time for an overdue Funner Runner update. So just going to run through some of the things that we've changed. We've now got audio in, as you can hear. We're going to have some music on the level when we play and on the characters as we play through it as well. So you can see also that there's parallax backgrounds. At the moment it's placeholder art that I've got online, but my brother is in the process of doing some art that can be used as the backgrounds for different levels as well. With regards to the sound as well, we've made it so if you use the focus mechanic, which slows down the time, it also slows down the audio, which I think is an awesome effect. There's new animations in the game. You can see that the characters have animations as they move through the level. They also have some when they die. It zooms in on them. The death menus fly on in a slightly different way now as well. So overall, most of the mechanics are the same. The only character who's changed is our dearest Chunk. So he now jumps high like that. So he used to float, and now he has the ability to kind of jump a lot higher, but he still doesn't get much distance, and he's still a slowpoke when it comes to traveling compared to the other characters. So overall, we've got some nice pretty backgrounds, we've got some nice interesting sounds, and we've got some more polished effects for when you die and when you're moving around the menus. Thanks for checking in.